Yo, what is up boys? It is just Boz here and welcome back to yet another Windows help tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can disable dark mode here in Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is also going to work with previous Windows versions, so keep that in mind. If you are on an older version, don't worry, you're good to go. Before we dive into this, if you guys could leave a like on this video, share with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and helps us make more content just like this. But to begin, go ahead and click anywhere on your desktop by right clicking, and then you should see an option that does say personalize. Depending on which version of Windows you are currently on, this might look a little bit different, but all of them are going to have a personalize option, so go ahead and select that from the menu. This is going to open up settings for you, and it's going to look something like this because it takes you directly to those personalized settings. Essentially, find the section that says colors within here and go ahead and click on it, and it's going to look like this. Under this section that says choose your mode, you just want to go ahead and make sure you're on light mode or custom mode and choose whatever color you would like from this section if you do decide to go with custom. I just recommend making sure everything is on light mode rather than doing dark mode. Like, let's just be honest, dark mode is good for pretty much everything except honestly, light mode just looks better on Windows for whatever reason. But yeah, you can make it so that within custom, you can have dark mode for different app modes, but you can have light mode for the Windows mode. It's completely up to you. You can customize it however you would like. You can also change the accent color right here, which affects pretty much everything else, but it really is as simple as that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you do want more tutorials like this, make sure you like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. But have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.